CINAHL is an important database of journal articles for the nursing and allied health fields. It covers over 5,400 academic journals in the field, so there are lots of articles available for your research needs. This tutorial will get you started searching with examples of search techniques you could try. From the library's homepage, library.defiance.edu, click on the Database A to Z tab. Then select CINAHL from the list and click on it and go. If you try to access the database from off campus, you will be asked at this point for which college in Ohio link you are registered with. Since I am recording this on campus, I can't show you here, but you would select Defiance College out of the list. Then enter your name and the barcode number off the Defiance College ID card you were given when you registered. It should be the digits 80 followed by your student number. You will then have access for 2 hours. Log back on if your session expires. This is the CINAHL landing page. Let's do a search on hospice nursing. We found over 4,700 articles. That would be a lot to look through. Let's look at ways to refine the search. Click on New Search in the purple bar across the top. We'll type hospice nursing in the box again, but don't hit search yet. Your professor may have told you that you have to find peer-reviewed articles that are research-based. Let's click this peer-reviewed box. And if we scroll down, in the box publication type, research is one of the choices. Oops. Clicking on these will limit our search to articles and journals that are reviewed by peers in the nursing field before publication, and also incorporate the results of some kind of research. Now we'll click on Search. Now we have over 1,200 articles. Our search refinement got rid of the articles that didn't meet our criteria. Notice this third article has a Korean title and probably is in Korean. To limit your search to English only, go to the section in the left column, Language, click on it, and click the box for English. Now the non-English articles have been eliminated. If you are a procrastinator and waited till a day or two before your assignment is due, you will want to check this box Full Text in the left column. That strategy got rid of the articles that are not available as full text in the database. We'll click here to open a full text article. You can use these options in this black bar to print or download the article. Let's go back to the result list and then do a new search and clear our previous entries. We'll enter emergency nursing, and we get over 14,000 hits. There's a way to limit the search to articles that are mainly about emergency nursing and get rid of the ones that only mention it in passing. In the left column, find and click on Subject Major Heading, and then click on Emergency Nursing. These 9,000 articles are the ones out of the 14,000 we previously found whose major topic is emergency nursing. If you go back to the Subject Major Heading area and click on Show More, it will bring up a box that will let you refine the search further. Let's click on Nurse Attitudes and update. Our reduced results now reflect nursing attitudes towards emergency nursing. Another way to limit a search is to say how many pages long you want the articles to be. Articles longer than 5 pages often tend to be research-based articles. Let's click on New Search and then type neonatal nursing in the search box, but don't hit search yet. Then scroll down the page and there's a place that says number of pages. Click on the drop-down menu, select greater than, put 5 in the next box, and then click on search. All of the articles we retrieved will be more than 5 pages long. Let's click on New Search again. There are many other ways to refine a CINAHL search. For example, here's where you can limit it by date. You can also check a box saying whether you want one of the authors to be a nurse. You can also limit your search in other ways, by geography, the sex of the subject of the study, or age groups studied in the particular article. One more feature that's useful. In the purple bar, click here on Publications. This brings up an alphabetical list of all the journals that CINAHL covers. If you wanted to know whether a geriatrics journal is included, enter geriatrics in the browsing box and click on Browse. If you click on this title, Geriatrics, you'll see a list of all the issues of this journal that are covered in CINAHL. And if you click on Search within this publication, CINAHL jumps back to the search screen and you could limit your search to this journal only. Let's search on falls within this journal called Geriatrics. And we get articles in a geriatrics journal about how to help patients with fall risks. There's more I could show you, but you probably think this tutorial is long enough. If you have problems or questions, return to the library's homepage, click on Go To, and then Staff Contact. This page lists the library's general phone number and email, plus individual staff contact information. The library staff urges you to either contact the main desk or one of our staff members if you need some help. If you go back to the library's main page, there's an Ask Us feature where you can do a chat if you prefer. Thanks for viewing our CINAHL tutorial, and feel free to contact a librarian if you need help.